Want to send and receive Android text messages from your Mac? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google Messages for web on macOS step by step. We'll connect your phone, set up the web app, and explore the features that let you manage your conversations right from your Mac. Before you begin, make sure Google Messages is installed on your Android phone and set as your default messaging app. Also, confirm that both your phone and your Mac are connected to the internet. Now, open Safari, Google Chrome, or another supported browser on your Mac. Go to Google Messages for web, where you'll see a QR code that you'll use to connect your phone. Open Google Messages on your phone, tap your profile picture, then choose Device Pairing. Tap Scan QR Code and point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your Mac. After the devices are connected, your conversations will automatically appear on your Mac. Open an existing chat or click New Chat to begin a new conversation. You can send text messages, photos, GIFs, stickers, emojis, and supported files directly from your browser. To stay updated when new messages arrive, allow browser notifications when prompted. So this lets you receive message alerts on your Mac, even while you're working in another browser tab. If you're using a shared or public Mac, remember to sign out after you're finished. You can remove the paired device from the device pairing section in the Google Messages app to protect your conversations. And that's how to use Google Messages for web on a Mac. Once everything is connected, you'll be able to send and receive messages from your computer with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy technology guides, and thanks for watching.